Okay, so good morning, guys. First of all, hello to everyone. Let's continue our CSS sections. If I want to continue, let me create one folder first. So I'm going to create one folder. This folder name is practical. Okay, let me enter button. I want to open this folder using by VS Code. Let me do the fast setup. Okay, so over here, file, then again open folder and the practical. Okay, so I am right now inside of my practical folder. Let me cancel to the things which one I don't want, and over here I want to create one HTML file, because you know that without a CSS, or no, not without CSS, without HTML, CSS is not possible, isn't it? So what I'm going to do over here, let me create over here one file. That file name is like a try. Okay, try.html. Okay, and then inside I will be going to create one file, or another one file I will be going to create, that is called practical. No, not practical, the CSS file. So I can give that CSS file name is style.css. I said that if you want to be implement to the CSS, we have the three types of CSS are there: inline, internal, and the external. So whatever the way are there, I'm going to add to the this thing. Sorry for the disturbance. Basically, I get a little bit problem over here. Okay, so let me say again back what I want to mean. So we have the internal CSS, external CSS, and the inline CSS. The way we can add to the CSS inside of your, we can say in your HTML. So right now, whatever the way I'm doing this, that this is called to the external CSS. Okay, so that I want to mean, let me use the boilerplate over here, shift exclamation mark, enter button, boilerplate is here, and I can give to the, you can give to the any kind of the title you want. Control S saved. So these things are ready. Let me link first my CSS. So I'm going to add over here link tag, and I want to attach with the CSS. Okay, now href I want to be give to the proper space dot slash style dot css. Control S save. This is the name of my file. Okay, I want to be check also, is it my CSS are linked or not. So what I can do, right click over here, first open with the live server. It will be take time to open with the Google Chrome. Okay, so let me open that, and then let me shift it again back over here. So you can see the try.html is with me. Now one thing what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to click on the style.css star. I'm using the universal selector, so I am going to apply the background color, so I can understand that these things are properly attached or not. You can see right now a CSS apply means these things are attached. Let's go quickly. Let me remove to the things as it is. I'm going to put that. Now, as per the things, if you don't know what we learn, let me recoil again to the thing. We understand first how we can write to the syntax about your CSS. Then we understand that a little bit theory. Then we understand selector. There are types of selectors are there, isn't it? Then we understand how the way we can add to the CSS inside, isn't it? And then now today we will understand some. Okay, before that also don't forget that we learn to the rules of overriding, isn't it? There are the overriding rules rule we have. Okay, now after this one, let's understand to the comment section. Okay, how we can add the comment inside of your CSS. Comment means what? Comments are making developers to understand their code, isn't it? Like when you are writing a lot of quantity of code, it is really hard we can understand, or we can like which section is where. It is really hard for us, isn't it? So what happened, we are putting in the middle between comment are in the human language, which one code editor will be going to not going to read that things, it is keeping that thing. Okay, so let me add over here one h1 tag. Okay, so let me over here keep to the something heading number 1. Okay, control S saved. Right now I'm going back to the style.css. Okay, now let me clear over here. Suppose I want to be select using by element selector, h1 tag, I'm going to put over here color, that is called red. I'm using a color for h1 text purpose, that is called red. You can check inside of the css, okay, over here it is color red. But right now suppose I want to put that this is, I have the heading, or I want to be explain something inside of the like a comment section, which one will be not going to print, but just only for it is making my code more understandable, more readable. Suppose I'm a developer and I want to write over here, this is suppose a heading I use, this color I use for to the heading purpose, I want to write over here. So how I can write, I need to use a slash, then again star star and slash. I want to go inside of the mid section and going to apply to the that is called whatever I want to write. Like suppose I want to write over here, this is my comment, isn't it? So I wrote it over here, this is my comment, control S save. So whatever I wrote it inside of this, what happened, it will be not going to print over here in my output. So this is what a developer are writing these things, so they can able to understand the line, or they can explain to the what I can say, they can explain to the things whatever they have to be rotated inside of their code. Okay, and this is the human readable code, or we can say it is the human understanding purpose we are writing. Okay, so suppose what I'm going to do that, rather than I can say over here, this color is used for the heading. Okay, did you get it? Means you can understand that letter. Okay, this is whatever the color you use for to the heading purpose. And when we are writing these things, it will be not going to print inside of the your output section. So that is the idea about your comment. Okay, now comments are very important in every programming language. You can see the syntax, then again your comment, these things are the common. Now I'm going to remove to the things, let's understand to the next things. I would you like to discuss over here, that is called measurement concept. Measurements means what, like you know that if suppose I have the one empty room, okay, and I want to be checked to the measurement for that room, so we have the some units, or I can say we have the some measurement, like which kind of measurement, inches, centimeters, and again meters. Okay, so these are the measurements are there if I want to be a count area of my room. So same like inside of the css we have the different units are there, which one can measure the area, or we can say the if I want to be applied to the sizes, or if I want to be applied to the anything, so we can clear that using by to the pixels only. Okay, pixels, or we have the percentage, we have the inches, we have the centimeters. So we have the different measurement units are there, which one we can help and we can apply to the the unit purpose. Okay, so let's see what I can do over here. Over here let me select this thing, and okay, so right now I'm taking only the h1. Okay, h1 is already the bigger, so I'm not going to take the h1. Let me write over here p tag. Okay, p tag means the paragraph tag. Let me take over here, let me remove this one also. I'm going to add to the paragraph tag, and let me add something paragraph. You know that if I'm writing over here lorem, something amit will become, and you can get a really big text. You can see there are the very big text we have. Okay, so control S save. Right now if you can go over here, you can check I have the very big text are there, means very different means letters are there, so I do not need to paragraph write in my own hand, or I do not need to type by myself. So you can see over here there I have to the paragraph are there. Always should be your size 100. Okay, this is a chrome size should be the 100, because when the people will be going to open the your see I can say when the people will be going to open your chrome browser or any kind of browser, that size is temporary not, that size is directly to the 100, we can say 100%. Okay, so the 100% size we need to be put. Now let's go back again to inside of your code. What I can do over here, okay, what I am going to do these things, paragraph. So I will be going to put a paragraph tag open, paragraph tag close. Okay. Now in that paragraph tag, let me explain the which one I want to be teach over here. Okay. Let me write in the comment so you